a surprise video for little Bichon, okay? Because it is a Bichon's life. We had a birthday today, and her Nana left with Zippy, her little cousin-in-law. I guess a stepsister. No, I don't know. Granddaughter-in-law, I guess. But
Aunt.
Grand-aunt. For my mother's daughter? Yeah, I guess so. I don't know. Anyhow, we're putting in this car seat for her. We got her a couple of weeks ago, and she's never used it. So what I'm going to do is I'm surprising her. I mean, she did crap. Probably shouldn't do this at dark, but
It's working.
anyhow, my mom just left, so it's like, okay. All right, so keep it running. I'm going to show you where she sits. I'm going to give her, and this goes behind the headrest, and you probably could add, maybe double it. Why not? I'm sure for heavier dogs, this is more important. Actually, that is her lead. That was the other one. So I'm just going to, that's her lead leash, which she has it. So I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Now, did you have that running the entire time?
I did.
Well, that'll tell you how excited she was because she was waiting at the door. So here we go. We're going to take this down to that. She said, "Man, you kicked that air on me." So we're ready to go, Dad. We'll see you in just a minute. She's going to love the ride.
All right, that's a tape. Hey, you enjoying that? You ready to go? All right.
Okay, Dee Dee, we're going for your first car ride in your new car seat, baby. All right, Daddy, you can turn the light off and go back. Watch out. Are you going to see your brother, Christopher? Oh. Dee Dee, what do you think? Do you think Christopher's here? Huh? Do you think you're... I think he is here. Can you can tell he's here, can't you? Yeah. You gonna say hello? And you can't climb on the door. You can't have to stay in your seat. Are you talking? Are you talking to it, baby? Uh-huh. He's in there, isn't he? You know that, don't you? You say, I know, Mom. Oh, yeah.
You're not going to see him right there. You need to look out the window, Dee Dee, if you want to see him.
She says he's coming. He's going to be at my window soon, Daddy. Yeah. Oh, here he comes. No? Is that him?
I don't see him.
She knows he's in there. Baby, your neck looks like a llama's right now. Your little llama neck all stretched out. So cute.
Yes, ma'am.
She is perfectly tethered in the seat. She can't get up on the armrest. It's driving her crazy.
Thank you.
She said, hey, lady, will you tell my brother I'm out here? That's what you're saying, isn't it, sweetie? Tell my brother I'm out here. Yeah.
He's probably right there.
Yeah, I'm certain that she can sense him. Yeah. Just don't hit that curb. You are so close to the edge. Please don't. Please don't.
There he is, right there. Hey, hey! Look who's in the back. We got a new wig in there.
Put her window down. Put her window down. All right, Dee.